My name is Grace. I'm a graduate from Dartmouth College with degrees in neuroscience and French studies. I have experience tutoring students in both the sciences and French, and also on the SAT. I'm currently working at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, where I am conducting research on pediatric brain tumor mutations. I hope to become a medical oncologist. While in school, I was on Dartmouth's leadership committee for our pre-health student organization. I was also a Dartmouth Cancer Scholar and volunteered at the local VA hospital. I conducted research in epidemiology at the Dartmouth Cancer Center and was awarded the Dartmouth Oncology Certificate for my work in research and shadowing. I don't think that there's necessarily one key to success for students to excel on the MCAT. I think that it takes a lot of individualized planning and strategy. However, I think that one strategy that is really crucial in studying for many students is really actively studying, meaning solving practice problems and engaging with the material actively rather than reading textbook review books or flipping through flashcards. I think that also with so much material on the MCAT, it's difficult to just memorize everything, and I think that this active studying really helps you learn more strategy to approach similar problems in the future rather than simple memorization. So as your MCAT tutor, I'll really work through practice problems with you to help develop strategies that will work on a broad range of questions on test day, because you really don't know exactly which questions are going to come up, but you can develop a framework and a strategy for how to approach certain types of questions. So I will definitely help you to work through this strategy, and I think there are some topics where memorization and flashcards can be helpful, so I will definitely help you identify those areas and to help you develop memory devices and tips and tricks for how to best accomplish that memorization. I think that what sets me apart as an MCAT tutor is I can understand how daunting it can feel at the beginning of your studying to take on all of this new material. And through trial and error in this process, I think I really developed more efficient and productive study strategies. So I think what makes my approach unique is really this firsthand understanding of how daunting the material is, and my understanding of how to sort of consolidate this material and make your studying more efficient, in particular by developing test-taking strategies and little tricks along the way. In terms of MCAT subjects, I would say my greatest strengths particularly lie in the psychological, social, and behavioral and biological foundations of behavior section, or the psychology, sociology section, on which I received a score of 132. I think in particular, as a neuroscience major and a current researcher in the field of neuro-oncology, my strengths lie in the fields of psychological and brain sciences. I think in general, as a tutor, my strengths lie in the ability to break down complex topics into more manageable parts, and also in tailoring study plans and strategies to each unique individual's needs. I'm passionate about helping pre-med students because I've been in your shoes. Navigating this difficult exam with everything else going on in your life I know is really difficult, but I also know how rewarding it feels to come out on the other side of this exam, and I'm really passionate about helping students feel this sense of accomplishment. I also think that studying for the MCAT is more about learning content, and I think the study strategies and habits that you learn along the way can be really beneficial beyond just the MCAT. I know they really helped me out in college and beyond, and I think that these skills are also really important in medical school. So I really want to help share these tools and mindset that I developed while studying for the MCAT to help me succeed on the test, so that other students can feel more confident in the MCAT and in all other endeavors.